Sakubona mfundi, I welcome you to this reading class where I'm teaching you today how to pronounce the K in Ndebele. So there are two ways we pronounce the K. Let's start with the most common way, all right? So this is where you say ga. Just try and pronounce it after me. It's a sound you make from inside your mouth, okay? So ga, ye, ye, go, go. That's the most common way to pronounce the K in Sindebele. So it's used in words like kusasa, tomorrow. Okay? Kusasa. Another one, kakhulu, which means a lot. For example, you could say ngiyakuthanda kakhulu. Let me slow down the first one as well because there is a ga there. Listen to this. Ngiyakuthanda kakhulu. That's the ga in both words right there. Okay? Another word would be kunjani, which means how is it? Okay, kunjani. We usually use it in the beginning of a conversation where you can ask someone, kunjani ngapho? How are things there? How is it there? Okay. Another word, kuwe. It means to you. For example, I could say, ngiyeza kuwe. I'm coming to you. All right. Kuwe. If you wanted to describe something as either easy or difficult, here is how you say it. Kulula. It's easy. Kunzima. It's difficult. Another description. Kubuhlungu. It's painful. Kumnandi. It's nice or it's delicious. All right. I hope you're trying to pronounce all this after me. You also have this word, ganje, which means by the way. So that's the most common K. Ga, ye, yi, go, go. Another word coming into mind right now, godwa, which means but. All right. Godwa. I hope you're managing to pronounce it. Then for certain words, we pronounce the K as ka. When it's just K standing on its own, ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. For example, ikamelo, a bedroom. I think this one is easier than the first one, right? Ika, ka. Ikama, a comb. Some of the words are coming from English, like ikama. Angit. Iketane, a chain. Angit. Iketane. All right. Umakiti is another way we refer to a cat ngesindebele. How about umakoti? It's a bride. Angit, a bride. And we also have umkulu, which means the kitchen, and we're normally talking about the kitchen in the rural areas. We call it umkulu. All right. So those are the two ways to pronounce K in Sindebele. Let me know if you're hearing the difference and if you're especially managing to pronounce the first one. Let me see you in the next reading class.